social, yun yung nagpo-process nung PDAF nung dalawa. And I was telling him na it has to go through a degree of processing ba yung kina-follow up niya. Tapos sabi niya, tatawagan mo yung opisina, yung legislator para kausapin kayo. Sabi ko, sige, parang gano'n, di ba? I was even doubting if he can really call. And he did. So nung nakausap niya muna si Labayan, most likely on the line. Kasi nung pinasa sa akin, sinabi na kagad ni Labayan, shock ako na pinasa ako. Sinabi sa akin, ano pa ang problema niyan? Ba't di niyo pa tapusin para ma-implement na inaantay na yan sa ground? Sabi ko, Senator, pinoprocess lang ho namin. Hindi na mo naman talaga ganun kadali-dali lang. Doon na pinatapos. So, walang duda na hindi siya yun dahil, from the other line, ganun ang pinasok. Tapos yung napapanood din natin sa pelikula at nakikita natin sa TV yung kanyang personality. So, kabisado mo yung boses. Sumunod, pinalo up yung kay Senator Revilla. So, ang kausap niya si Atty. Cambe on the phone. So, and then Atty. Cambe said, may way ba na ma-fast track, parang gano'n. So, sabi ko, inaayos naman. So, we just have to wait. Tapos, nood ako for a while. Then, sabi, si Senator may ano lang. Tapos yun, parang, tagal pa ba naman yan? PDAF ko naman yan. Authorized naman yung NGO. Pwede nyo nang audio video. I-process nyo na yan. Madali nyo na. So, that was, Your Honor, yung circumstance na yun, hindi ko lang madetalye talaga yung exact word like it happened a long time ago, no? Pero I don't get phone calls, I don't get to talk every day to senators.
On that note, was that the first time that you spoke to these two senators? Yan ba yung unang beses or nakausap mo na sila before?
Yung kay Senator Estrada, yung time.
The first time, the only time.
Senator Revilla pangalawa.
Okay, and for those instances, kayong diretsang magkausap, no? So si Ben-Hur did not hear the conversation. Pinasa lang niya yung telephone. Okay, so definitely the phone records will be quite important in terms of testing the veracity of that. At that year, anong taon yan?
Around 2008.
Okay, 2008. By that
2007,
time, was that the start of the dealings with the Napoles NGOs? Or that was already, marami na ho yan?
Towards
Okay. At what point did you start to think or nagka-inkling ka na merong illegality na nangyayari?
No, Your Honor. What happened is, at the height of things, I was sidelined. So I got focused really on the work in the office. Basically, in making sure that...
Sige, can you give us a timeline, Deco?
2007 kasi, Your Honor, meron ng memo na may alternate signatory na ako.
Okay.
So
hindi na ikaw yung magpipirma diretsa?
Pwede na, may ilang-ilan na lang. Kung dadaan sa akin, most likely,